Hello guys, today we will learn properties of angle formed by two parallel lines and a transversal. Here, what is the property of corresponding angle? Each pair of corresponding angles formed by two parallel lines and their transversal is of congruent angles. If we consider angle AMP and angle MNR, then these two angles will be congruent to each other. Similarly, other pairs such as angle PMN and angle RNB will be congruent. Similarly, angle AMQ is congruent to angle MNS and angle QMN congruent to angle SNB. मतलब अगर किसी भी फिगर में दो पैरेलल लाइन्स है और एक ट्रांसवर्सल है जो उनको दो डिस्टिंक्ट पॉइंट में इंटरसेक्ट करती है, तो उसके करस्पॉन्डिंग एंगल्स के जो पेयर है वो कॉन्ग्रुएंट होंगे. लेट्स लर्न प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ अल्टरनेट एंगल्स and we know let's learn properties of alternate angles. As we know, there are two types of alternate angles, interior alternate angle and exterior alternate angle. तो पहले हम इंटीरियर अल्टरनेट एंगल देखते हैं. जैसे कि मैंने पहले ही बताया था, इंटीरियर अल्टरनेट एंगल हमेशा जेड शेप में रहता है. वो जेड शेप पहले फाइंड करते हैं. दिस इज वन जेड शेप एंड दिस इज अनदर जेड शेप. ओके, अब देखते हैं कि इसकी प्रॉपर्टी क्या कहती है. Each pair of alternate angles formed by two parallel lines and their transversal is of congruent angles. इसका मीनिंग क्या है? अगर दो पैरेलल लाइन है और एक ट्रांसवर्सल लाइन है तो उसके इंटीरियर अल्टरनेट एंगल एंड एक्सटीरियर अल्टरनेट एंगल हमेशा कॉन्ग्रुएंट रहेंगे. तो हम फाइंड करते हैं कौन से इंटीरियर अल्टरनेट एंगल कॉन्ग्रुएंट है और कौन से एक्सटीरियर अल्टरनेट एंगल कॉन्ग्रुएंट है. Angle PMN is congruent to angle MNS. Another pair, angle QMN congruent to angle MNR. Okay, this is interior alternate angle. Let's find exterior alternate angle. Angle AMP congruent to angle SNB, and another pair, angle AMQ congruent to angle RNB. Now let's learn properties of interior angle. Here I am talking about only interior angles and not interior alternate or exterior alternate. पहले तो हम आइडेंटिफाई करते हैं कौन से इंटीरियर एंगल्स है. इस फिगर में एंगल PMN and angle MNR, this is one pair of interior angle. Angle QMN एंड एंगल MNS, ये दो पेयर ऑफ इंटीरियर एंगल है. तो इसकी प्रॉपर्टी क्या है? मेजर ऑफ एंगल PMN प्लस मेजर ऑफ एंगल MNR इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. सिमिलरली मेजर ऑफ एंगल QMN प्लस मेजर ऑफ एंगल MNS इज इक्वल्स टू 180 डिग्री. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दिस. This will be very useful while solving different examples on properties of angles formed by two parallel lines and a transversal. Let's solve few examples. In exam, question will be like this. In adjoining figure, line AB is parallel to line PQ. Line LM is a transversal. Measure of angle MNQ is equals to 70 degree. Then find measure of angle AON. Here we have to find angle AON. First of all, ये एग्जाम्पल सॉल्व करने से पहले कुछ चीज़ें हम ध्यान में रख लेंगे. आई एम ड्राइंग वन रफ डायग्राम हेयर. अगर आपको एंगल MFD 75 डिग्री दिया है और अगर आपको एंगल AEB ये फाइंड करना है तो वो कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? अभी जैसे कि हमने प्रॉपर्टीज़ देखी, एक्सटीरियर अल्टरनेट एंगल्स आर कॉन्ग्रुएंट इफ देयर आर टू पैरेलल लाइंस एंड वन ट्रांसवर्सल. तो ये इजीली हम क्या कह सकते हैं? एंगल MFD is congruent to angle AEB. Therefore, if angle MFD is 75 degree, then angle AEB will be 75 degree. और अगर आपको एंगल AEL 70 डिग्री दिया है और आपको अगर एंगल EFM फाइंड करना है तो वो कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? We know the property pair of corresponding angles are congruent. Angle AEL is congruent to angle EFM. Therefore, अगर एंगल AEL 70 डिग्री है तो एंगल EFM भी 70 डिग्री होगा. Let's solve this example. I will erase this. Which angle is given here? Measure of angle MNQ, which is this angle, and that is 70 degree. This example can be solved by various methods. Let's try one method. Angle MNQ is 70 degree, so its opposite angle, what is that? Angle PNO, that will also be 70 degree. So we can say that angle QNM is equals to angle ONP 70 degree, and here we will write reason opposite angles. Don't forget to write property, which property you are using. We know the value of ONP, therefore we can find another, which is AON. Measure of angle AON plus measure of angle ONP is equals to 180 degree. Measure of angle AON plus measure of angle ONP, what is its value? 70 degree. Therefore, measure of angle AON is equals to 110. Now we will try to solve same example with different method. Here, measure of angle MNQ is equals to 70 degree, and also angle MNQ is exterior angle. Therefore, this angle will also be 70 degree because these two are pair of exterior angle, and property says angle MNQ is congruent to angle AOL. Now we know angle LOA is congruent to angle ONP. Measure of angle LOA is congruent to measure of angle ONP. So we can say that measure of angle AON plus measure of angle ONP is equals to 180 degree interior angles. Therefore, angle AON plus angle ONP, its value will be 70 degree is equals to 180 degree. Therefore, measure of angle AON is equals to 110 degree. Second question, choose the correct alternative. In the adjoining figure, if line M parallel to line N and line P is a transversal, then find the value of X. Let's provide the names. Now we know the property of interior angle. What it says? Measure of angle MAO plus measure of angle AON is equals to 180 degree, and the reason is interior angles. Therefore, 3x plus x is equals to 180 degree, 4x is equals to 180 degree. We will send this 4 to divide 180. It will give 55 degree. Option C is the right answer. Third question, in the adjoining figure, if line A parallel to line B and line L is a transversal, then find the value of X. This is very similar to previous example. Let's find the value of X. See this figure carefully. First we will provide few names. Now this will be easy to understand. Here angle LFD, exterior angle. Similarly, angle MEA is also exterior angle. So we can say that this will also be XY due to properties of exterior alternate angle. Now we know angle AEM. Let's find corresponding angle. Measure of angle AEM AEM is congruent to measure of angle EFB. Therefore, this will be 2x. We know the property of interior angle, measure of angle AEF plus measure of angle EFB is equals to 180 degree. What is the value of AEF? It is 4x, and value of EFB from figure, it is 2x is equals to 180 degree. Therefore, xx is equals to 180 degree. X is equals to 180 degree divided by 6. The value of angle x is 80 degree. Therefore, right answer will be option D. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.